Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a clip in CapCut. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on one of the projects here and wait a little bit now. And here you can see the mute clip option. You can just press on it and the clip is going to be muted now. And that is pretty much all you need to do. And now you can just save the video or the project by pressing on the export in the top of your right corner, and now you can just save the project and share it if you want to. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.